series nih.
Oke.
Ini hanya buat kayak eksperimen sendiri, kayak buat papernya gimana.
Oke.
Jadi I will tell you a brief explanation about the painting itself. For the 3D effect ini, this is made out of paper waste. Paper waste yang diolah gitu, pakai lem sama pennya sendiri. Nah itu prosesnya sebenarnya nggak terlalu susah sendiri. Jadi yang bikin susahnya itu lebih ke nunggu dryingnya. Karena itu kalau kita nggak nunggu drying dan kita langsung taruh aja, itu semuanya bakal berubah. Aku ada beberapa pertanyaan, karena aku dengar dari teman aku, habis itu guru buat itu kan, apa namanya, arts,
visual arts.
Nah, aku ada 5 pertanyaan.
Oke. What's the paint again?
The paint?
Is it acrylic or okay?
Okay. What is your first impression when you see this painting?
I didn't know that it was made out of. At first, I didn't know that it was made out of waste. For example, this area where you actually trying to create the wave, I would say. I thought it was made out of any traditional modeling paste, that's the kind of compound a fine art artist would use. It's a modeling paste, I thought it was made out of modeling paste. Never thought it was used plastic or paper beads. Yeah, it's alright.
Any other answers?
Yes. Until I get to see I kind of go to the left. My sight goes a little bit to the left where we could see the turtles, and I realized, oh, it's actually made out of recycled materials, which is interesting because you kind of use or intentionally think about what to create using this plastic cap, right? Did you, why am I asking question? Can I ask question? Yeah, okay. Did you gather the available materials first and then figure out what to create in terms of compositions and everything? Or did you, create a composition and sketch and then figure out what kind of waste materials am I supposed to, gather in terms to put everything together?
So firstly, I did some more research, especially when it comes to like, what can I actually make and what can I do with what I have. Now, after I did some more research to things, that's when I started to find like other materials that I have at home, especially plastic bottles are a lot in my house, right? And because of that, I thought about why not I make something there from what I already have itself. Especially I am a new student, not from Tzuchi itself, right? So I still had so many like leftover exam papers from my old schools. Now from that on, I thought about why not I just use them directly for my art itself, because my PP is personally about like how to show that recycled materials can still have chances that they are still beautifully can be put on.
All right, thank you. Next question. It's okay.
Do you think the use of recycled materials works well
Visually, yes. Yes. However, since I think that it's clear you're not used to, or let me ask you one thing. Do you have any background following subjects, creative subjects like visual art or something that require you to actively process things visually like this? Yes? Okay. I because at first, yeah, I didn't know it was I thought it was more than the case, right? My very personal thought was like, oh, she needs to learn even more, because the bumpy things are a little bit, yeah. Don't take it too, And I thought like, oh, maybe she's a new student, and that she didn't get to experience things like this, but bravo for some area. Like I personally like this part even more, although some area having inconsistent shade of color, but it is what it is. A win is a win, but yeah, it works in terms of application. The recycled material works pretty nicely. You use the strength of the characteristic of the plastic cap is like round, right? And you get to think, oh, it's round. What am I supposed to do? Oh, that's the sea. Okay, let's add turtle. I don't know. Maybe it was but it works. You get to apply and think using your critical thinking, where to put, what to put, in order to create a beautiful artwork. Bravo! Yeah. Next. any counter answer to that? No.
Wait, I have 3 more questions.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Just
Is the theme or message about sustainability clear to you, or if it's not, then what should I add?
Oh, the theme sustainability.
Through art itself.
Does it show in the art, or
it's mostly to like how in firstly maybe they didn't see like it's from recycled papers, but like when we actually look more to it, they finally realized that the one that I'm trying to aim is that I want them to see that even old materials can still be used to make something that is still beautiful.
Yeah. Yes. But let's refer to your question previously. Is the use of is the theme of sustainability what?
Is the theme sustainability like clear to you by the means of like the materials I use and
by the look of the artwork?
The look of the artwork and the materials that is used.
The theme of sustainability, yes, because I think about the first that striking me was the ocean, the waves. It's coming from the top point of view, and then my sight goes a little bit to the left and notice the little turtles, the green little turtles. Oh, it's made out of bottle caps, and I was like, oh, is this a recycled theme artwork? Well, I guess it is. Yes, but is it directly? Not really, because my eyes goes into this area first, since the blue is really striking for me, at least. So I didn't get to see immediately the bottle caps, but once I see it, yes, I get to think or assume. Oh, is this artwork kind of talk about the narrative of sustainability? Maybe, in art we don't interpret immediately. We just think first and then we decide. Yeah. Anything else? It's okay.
There's like a following question like that. What can I improve?
What can we improve? Oh, yeah. Do you need to show the camera which part, or do you want me to break it down to you right now?
Okay, just break it down.
Just break it down. Yeah. Okay. You need to note